Death is one of the most difficult events affecting the lives of people and families. Even though it is a hard time, it is important to document a death with authorities as soon as possible because it has far-reaching legal consequences. A death must be registered with the Civil Status and Passports Department if the death occurs in Jordan. Death registration has a great importance as it involves rights for others such as inheritance, custodianship, the wife's commitment to the legal mourning period and other legal rights. To register the death, you will need the medical notification of death from the hospital or authorities as well as essential information such as the place of death, date of death, the deceased person's name, their parents' names, and their nationality. The procedures for registering a death vary depending on whether the death registration process is happening within the 12 months following the death incident or in a later stage. If the period between death and registration is less than 1 year, the procedures are as follows. First, obtain the death notification from the hospital or from the Mukhtar. Second, visit the Civil Status and Passports Department and submit the application. Third, pay the fees for obtaining the death certificate. The fee for issuing a death certificate is 1 dinar if 7 days or less have passed since the death occurred, and a fine of 10 dinars is added if the period is more than 7 days. If the period between death and registration is 1 year or more than 1 year, the procedures are as follows. First, file a lawsuit for proof of death registration before the magistrate court. Second, attend court sessions and obtain the final decision. Third, visit the Civil Status and Passports Department and submit the application. Fourth, pay the fees and the fine for the delay in obtaining the death certificate.